everyone, we are starting the spin cycle in that Samsung washing machine. Likely to the 9-kilogram drum. I put my clothes there. Alright. Which minute do we have? Low is 8 minutes. Do you want 9 minutes? You want 9? 9?
No.
9 for spin?
No.
Or 10 minutes? Or 11 minutes?
10.
Alright. Likely it's cool. Thank you for 9. Bye-bye, my little clothes. Bye-bye, clothes. Bye-bye, clothes. Bye-bye. Okay, this is the clothes. Alright, let's see if it spins. Oh, why is it spin braked? Come on, spin. This is on the other side, spin.
Who's the beast?
Is Elisa come?
Who's the beast?
9 minutes left.
The beast. Who's the beast? The beast. Who's the beast?
Bye-bye, clothes. They're looking joy.
Who's the beast?
Sound and motor like LG. Doesn't spin? Oh no! I got an error code because I opened the drawer, so that's why I opened the drawer. So that's why it told me to close. It's only this is low spin. Why not a high spin? Alright, is that mid spin? Bye my clothes. Likely I'm balancing. We have 7 minutes left. Sounding like an LG motor. Okay, if I opened the drawer, that told me to close the drawer, so that makes beep up, make that beep. I'll show you why it. What happened? The water is filling. The water is even filling, and it's causing the suds lock. Where'd the water come? Okay. Spins like. Sounds like an LG motor. Elisa's listening to the music in my mother's phone. kill G. It's 4 minutes. Elisa, it's 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes, Elisa. Do you see that? Elisa, stop it. Elisa, stop it. Okay. Like it spins. It's 3 minutes later. It's on spin cycle. I need to wait after it stops. Elisa, stop it or no? Why? My clothes is here.
لا صفر خلينا واحد.
Okay, 2-1. It's 2 minutes. Elisa, it's 2 minutes. Elisa, it's 2 minutes. Why my clothes? It's okay, it's at anti-crease. See, everyone is at anti-crease. Likely gives an anti-crease. Look. Alright, I believed this Samsung working good. Perfect. 17 kilogram and /9 kilogram washer machine. You have the anti-greasing, as you can see in the photo. I want it stopped. Alright. Very cool. Likely. It's wet. Because it's been wet. Smells tasty. That's good. Well, let's go, Elisa. We're already finished. Elisa, come on. We're already finished. So, how was a great day with Spin Wash?
So
Alright, everyone. My clothes is wet because it gets spin washed. So, thanks for watching.